pretty damn proud of myself. That's the old 2010 Camaro 3.6 liter LTT engine, seized up, as you can tell. Couldn't get the crank off, the harmonic balancer off. Had to cut it in order to get one bolt for the pan. Got all my sensors off. This one's the same as my other one on a new engine. That's the catastrophic failure right there on both sides. Oil filter housing, relocation kit for the Camaro is removed, put on the new engine. Everything is out. Everything. Completely gutted. Yeah. And this is the old engine, old valve covers, everything. And here's the new one. All new seals. Everything got switched over. Basically, my valve covers, everything's all switched over. Front new accessories, so new water pump, new water pulley, new harmonic balancer. Power steering is going to be staying the same. Gasket on the front, gasket on the front cover, gasket on the oil pan, new gasket on the valve cover, new spark plug gaskets, all fuel rail, everything is in there. Swapped over the cooling system, swapped over the brackets. Motor mounts are sitting somewhere else. Exhaust manifold, keeping them stock for now. Got all my sensors, everything for the front. All these sensors are all from the Camaro. They're all good. So basically, and if you guys are curious, how the hell did I make a Traverse front wheel drive engine work on a Camaro? Well, there's a lot of homework that involves in it. But on these engines, it's a LTT family. As long as it's an LTT family from the 3.6 liter, it's going to work. It's just like a Ford Triton V8. It's just like any modular V8 from Ford. It's a Chevy, obviously, but it's any, Vortex style engine, 5.3, 4.8. It's the same family, same block, just different heads and stuff like that. That's why I had to do so much transferring over. High pressure fuel pump will not work. Thermostat accessories won't work, stuff like that. So everything from here on this engine is from the Camaro, switched over. And if you look on the back, I'll actually show you on my old engine. This one has the same rotation. Rotation is this way. As long as the rotation is the same direction, it will work. What I'm talking about is that right there. As you can tell, where is it? See where it says rotation? As long as it's in the same direction as the other engine, you're 100%. And also, there's some other things you have to do, but yeah. With no further ado, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like. And that's the switch over. Everything is Camaro. So if you want to go buy a part for Camaro, you got it. Everything's going to be for a Camaro. Nothing's going to be Frankenstein. Everything's done the right way. That being said, do this at your own will, at your own justice, only because this is just by me doing my own homework, doing what I know and what I've learned over the years. Yeah. So, if you want to save a lot of money, saying you have a Camaro and you have an engine that you want to swap over, this is probably your best bet. It's a lot of work. It ain't easy. You do have to take the whole front cover off and everything. You got to do a bunch of swaps over. Is it worth it? Yeah. If you're in a rush, no. But it can be done. Never give up. As you can tell, this engine was seized very excessively, and it literally, I couldn't get the bell housing, torque converter off, and that's what caused this delay. But finally got it done. Old engine's going to the scrapyard for the core, and yeah, deuces guys. Never give up. Keep doing what you're doing, and try to save money. Alright? Peace. Subscribe and like. More videos to come, and please support this channel.